today we went to Pulaski, and you see the courthouse. I always want to say the city house.
Yeah, me too.
But it's a courthouse, right?
Or the city hall or something like that.
City Hall, yeah. On the background, and the Christmas tree, and you guys want to see this video. It is really amazing. I did not expect that Pulaski, what is, I think, a very small little village, right, in the south of Middle Tennessee, had so many Christmas lights.
I didn't think it'd be this decorated either. They even have a Christmas tree. Not as big as some of the others, but it's still something.
Yeah. And what I think they put a lot of effort in is the courthouse and the way they have lighted that. And but I have also seen in Pulaski a lot of detail for smaller things with the past, a lot of monuments, specifically specifically about a Civil War, and Sam Jones.
Sam Davis?
Oh, Sam Davis, yeah. I said Sam Davis. And it's kind of interesting. This is a very interesting town. It's hard for me to give an opinion about it, but I do know this. I really like it how old it is. It is not, everything is restored. Like Franklin, it is so smooth.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, did you see when the courthourse was built?
No, it was built.
1909.
1909? This courthouse?
Yep.
Oh, really?
They've definitely redone something to it, though.
Yeah.
So, maybe, I don't know.
Well, I really like it. It is old. It is still, it's rotten windows, not everywhere. It's schmooked up with paint. Certain things are falling off a little bit. And again, not everywhere. But that's I believe, the interesting thing of older monuments and older houses.
Yeah, they probably have to keep it like that in somewhat of a way to call it Historic Downtown Pulaski.
Yeah, but anyway, and then the other thing what I thought was really interesting is that we looked up, supposedly Pulaski City has 8,500 citizens or so.
Yeah.
It's a hard time to believe. I mean, I think the amount of busyness what was going on here, it feels to me like this is a little city with 25,000 people.
I think it was definitely one of the downtown places we've been that has the most traffic going through.
Yeah, absolutely. Now it was also a Friday, right? So,
yeah, that's true.
But beautiful little town. Now, you need to look it up. Pulaski is a part of Giles County. If you are in Middle Tennessee, I would definitely take a afternoon, or you can even spend a whole day here in the area. There's so much to see. The whole Sam Davis monument. There's a lot going on. A lot of monuments and parks around the Civil War. If you like fishing, there's a lot of little creeks here. The city hall here is amazing. A lot of crazy awesome little boutiques and little shops.
Yeah.
Oh, and you know what I really caught my eyes?
What?
So many law offices.
Yes, I saw that too.
Unbelievable.
I saw that too.
You guys need to check this video and count the amount of law offices you see and put it in the comments.
There's a lot.
And I think that has a reason.
Also insurance.
Insurance too, yeah. But these law offices and this attorney of law offices, it is, I think I saw 30, 40.
Yeah, they're definitely here for a reason, probably from the past.
I think so too. I think if you want to have a law office and you have a seat or an office in Pulaski, you guys should check it out, what Pulaski is famous for. I'm not going to say it because YouTube is not going to like that, but just check it out. But anyway, I didn't saw anything weirdness here. Giles County, awesome county. I would definitely want to live here. I think it is awesome. And see you guys maybe in the next video.
Yeah.
Maybe a video from the moon. You never know.
I doubt it.
All right.